Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about 12 products that are leaving my collection, and this video is kind of like a part 2 after the lip shopping blog. And even though my makeup inventory just went up some weeks ago, I don't want these ones in my collection. It is what it is. So let's start with this one. This is the VIEVE lip pencil. As you saw maybe in the shopping blog, this is too dark. It's not that creamy as it was in the beginning, and I don't like brown lip liners that much. And similar to that, another one that is very old, it is the Too Faced one. I actually have it on my lips today, but this lip combo is nice, but I'm not gonna wear it. I just used it for this video today, but except that I wouldn't. I don't love it. It is what it is. So I just wanted to test 2 of these products one last time. So this is the Too Faced lip liner in Big Truffle. I think I will put down below all of these products. Then we have the other lip product that I'm wearing. This is beautiful. I really like it, but as well, it is old and I'm not using it. It is the Inspire shade from Rare Beauty. It is a beautiful formula. As you can see, I put it in the middle right here, and I created like a ombre lip with brown and red. But how often would I use something like this? Not very often. So because of that, I will declutter this one. Next, I have here the Essence Magic Filter, the Glow Booster one. This smells like old paint. I really don't like it. I much prefer the Catrice one. This one is way thicker than the Catrice one, and I prefer that one. It was a waste of money. I think I used it 3 times or something like that, just to see how it is. It is decent, but it smells weird. It is a bit too thick, so there is no point in me having it. And similar to that, I have another product that it's just a waste of money, and it is the Butter Gloss Bling. Today actually I did this exact lip, and then I put this one on top and I removed it. It's just too sparkly for me, and there is no point in me keeping this one because I don't like it. It is what it is. It always makes every kind of lip color worse. If I'm putting a matte lipstick and then this one on top, it looks worse. If I'm putting another gloss and this one on top, it looks worse. What is the point? I don't need it, so because of that, it needs to go. Then I have this one. This is a great product, but right now I don't like matte lips, so there is again no point in me having that many. I kept some of my favorites, but this is the Maybelline Ultimate in the shade More Buff. I think it is. I will put, like I said, down below the whole name of the product. It is like a lip crayon. The shade is beautiful, the formula is great, but like I said, I'm not using matte lips too often, so yeah, I just kept in my collection something that I really like. Then a mascara that I will declutter is this one, and this is a fail actually. The Firework mascara from Maybelline. This is poking my eye. It's the one is too big and the bristles are just so tiny. I'm just poking my eyes all the time, and the lashes are not looking that incredible. I prefer my Essence one a million times more, so there is no point in me having this one in my collection, and as well there is no point in me buying other mascaras. Then I'm gonna declutter this one for the same reasons as the Maybelline one. It is the Makeup Forever in the shade Toffee Atoll Hours. Great product and everything, but it's very matte. It's getting older and I'm not using it that often. Then I have a brow product actually. This is the MAC in Deep Brunette. I don't recommend you to purchase this product. I purchased it like 2 years ago or something, and I still have it, and I did use it, but it's just too stiff, too pigmented, too just I really don't like it, and it's time for it to go. It's, like I said, very old. Right now it's very dry and I just don't need it. And similar to that, I have the IT Cosmetics Brow Power. I just got it. I used it today for the last time. It's just too creamy, too pigmented and everything, so you need a very light shade if you want to purchase something like this. But it's just waxy and smeary. I do prefer a drier brow pencil, but not like this. So it needs to be something in between these two, and it is the NYX brow pencil that I really like. So there's no point in me having something like this in my collection when I can use my NYX one and just love my brows, or use only brow gel and simplify my brow routine. Then I'm gonna declutter this one just because I'm not wearing red lips, and this is just a weird color on me because it is like a pinky red. It's not flattering on me, it is what it is. I just don't like it that much. The formula is 11 out of 10. I kept the other brown shade that is dark and everything, but that shade is unique, and the formula, like I said, still great. And lastly, I'm just gonna declutter this one. It is almost done. I have just like this left, so I'm almost done, but I just don't want to use it anymore. It is a nice formula and everything, but this shimmer is just not for me when it comes to the lips. It's just too glittery, and if I'm using it on its own, it's just a bit, I don't know, cooler toned and goopy. I just don't like it. I prefer the clear color when it comes to the Fenty formula. So yeah, I would prefer to use up the products that I really love rather than having a million formulas and not enjoying all of them. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.